So in today's video, I'm going to swatch this Party Popper lipsticks by Becca. Yesterday, while cleaning my room, I found that I have lots of lipsticks. Beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. Okay, if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. I just filmed this eye makeup look tutorial for you guys, and it will be up after this video. So I am wearing everything same, all the makeups are same except the lipstick. Yesterday, while cleaning my room, I found that I have lots of lipsticks, like liquid lipsticks and other lipsticks which I haven't tried. Like I think I bought them and I haven't tried. Like, it's no use for me buying lipsticks when I'm not using them. So like literally when new lipsticks come out, we all buy, then we forget about it. So from now onwards, here on my channel, I'm gonna be swatching lipsticks. Doesn't matter it's old ones or new ones, I'm gonna be swatching for you guys. And I found that I've got lots of nude lipsticks too, so I just like arranged them in a different drawers. So I don't have much makeup collection yet, but I'm still getting them. But when I'm cleaning, I can see that I have lots. So today I'm wearing this lips shade. This is our XX from Kmart. So this is our XX Cosmetics lipstick, and this is a very beautiful brown shade, and I love it. Like, just look at it, it's so pretty. And I just found this yesterday, so I thought, okay, I'll try, just because I bought this and I haven't tried. So I did this eye makeup tutorial today, and this look will be up on my channel soon. And it's a Valentine's Day makeup look, and like I have just changed the lip shade. In that video I'm wearing a different lipstick. So yeah, let's move on to this video now. So in today's video, I'm going to swatch this Party Popper lipsticks by Becca. So it comes like this. I have showed you guys in my whole video, I think already you guys have seen. It's from Sephora I bought, and it's their ultimate lipstick love mini kit. So the box looks like this. I don't know if you can see it or not. You have to just pull like this. So I just kept this box just to show you all how this actually comes, how the packaging looks before throwing it away. So now I'm gonna be throwing it away. So the lipstick is here, and it comes like this. Like, most of you guys must have already used it. Like, I'm far behind. I've told you guys I've got so much lipsticks in my collection which I haven't swatched. So this one I just bought recently. So they come into 3 mini set, and the packaging looks like this. So all 3 of it looks same. So they all look same. The names are at the bottom here, and I don't know how many grams or hours of product is this. So I've got 3 shades: Orchid, Sugar, and Rosewood. And like, I really like the packaging of this, and like, it's very handy and it's a travel size lipstick, so it's really handy if you are traveling. So the name is written here, Becca. So yeah, let's swatch and let's see how this will look on my lips. So let's start off with Sugar. Okay, let's apply the shade Sugar. So it looks like this, and it has this much of product, and I think this is a really beautiful shade. I like it, like it's very creamy and like it glides on the lips so well. It feels really good, and like I really like it, but like I don't think it looks that good on me, but it's okay. And like it smells really good too. What you guys say about this lipstick? Does it look good on my lips? I like it. I think it looks good. It's okay. And if you want to wear it for every day, or like if you are wearing a dark smoky eye, this lip shade will look absolutely stunning. Like it matches my eye look really well. I think this Sugar looks like this. I don't know whether you can see or not. It has that little bit of purplish nude, I think. So the second one is this Orchid. Let's swatch this first on my lips. I think if you apply with a lip liner, it will look more better. Okay, this one I really like it. It's that little bit dark nude, I will say, and like it looks really, really pretty. I think this will be my favorite now, because like I like it, like it looks really cute. And this is how it looks on my hand. Wow, this is really, really beautiful. I like it. And if you apply with a lip liner, a little bit dark lip liner, I think it will look really pretty. But without a lip liner, it looks good too. So the last one and the third one is, of course, the third one is the last one in this video. So this is Rosewood and looks like this, exactly same. Everything is same. And let's swatch. Wow, it looks so pretty. It looks really pretty. And like, let's swatch here. It's that mauve kind of shade. I think a little bit dark, and like I really like it, and like it's not red at all, but I absolutely love this shade. don't know, I really like this shade. I think it looks really pretty. So this lipstick glides on really easily, and like it applies so well too. So all these 3 shades which comes in this set is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. And you can get these lipsticks from Sephora, I guess, and I bought from Sephora, so I don't know where else you can buy. Direct from Becca's website, I think, and I've got no idea about it, but you can Google it. So yeah, this lipstick, I think it goes well with my eye makeup look, and I like it. Like, it's pretty. What do you say? So if you tried any of these shades and if you like them, let me know in the comment section below. And I love them, and if you want to see me swatching more of lipsticks, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video, and also follow me around on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.